Chloe. I am here in beautiful Sonoma at my friend Sarah's house. She's the owner of Chateau Sonoma, and she has been so gracious to welcome us here for our creative business retreat. 5 years ago, I started what was just a blog, Boxwood Avenue, and since then it's grown into so much more. I never dreamt that my photos would be featured in magazines or that I'd be contributing to huge sites like Martha Stewart or be a better homes and garden style maker. I was just some girl that had bought a camera and a laptop. And I started these workshops because I think a lot of people have that dream, and I want to inspire you to turn your dreams into a creative business. At these workshops, you will learn all about photography. We'll cover manual mode, but we'll go even deeper than that. We'll talk about composition techniques, lighting techniques, and how to edit those photos to turn them into content for your social media and your blog.
My name is Nadia Liu, and I just started a blog called Holcomb House, and it focuses on sustainability and low impact living. I decided to come to Boxwood Avenue's creative retreat to mainly learn photography and styling. That was my initial goal, but I came away learning so much more than that in terms of blogging and SEO and all of the ins and outs that come with that industry.
My name is Alexis Negranti, and I am the owner and founder of Negranti Creamery. I decided to come to Chloe's creative retreat because I wanted to figure out ways to grow my presence both locally and online, and I was just hoping to be inspired and get a lot of good ideas and great content.
Hi, I'm Naomi Brannigan.
And I'm Monica Emmert.
And we own a lifestyle store in Aptos, California called Warmth Company. It's not just what you learn, it's the relationships you make, it's where you stay, it's the beautiful venue, the flowers, the food, everything about it, everything
it's just
is
the
amazing.
Energy that you get.
So I attended the very first Boxwood Avenue retreat, and it was held in Tahoe, in Lake Tahoe, and it was amazing. I didn't know anyone, I didn't know Chloe, I didn't know Lori, but looking back, I'm so glad that I went because I told Chloe beforehand, I said, I'm already a full-time photographer. Do you think I could still benefit from the other aspects of the retreat other than just photography? Because we were learning SEO, blogging, social media, all of that kind of stuff. Anyways, this retreat came around and Chloe asked if I could come back and help her teach photography.
After our past retreat, I left feeling so fulfilled just being able to pass on some of the things that I've learned on my creative journey. And really the most rewarding thing is being able to look and see other past attendees grow their businesses and see how far they've come.
I'm Lori, and I helped co-host the retreat with Chloe, teaching systems and behind-the-scenes business processes for creatives. And my favorite part of the retreat this year was just being able to bring together community. You get to meet so many people online, which was amazing, but there's just something so special about being in person, sitting around a table, getting to talk and connect over the course of 2.5 or 3 days. And so that would have to be my favorite part.
I would definitely recommend this retreat to any small business owner, medium business owner, and large business owner because we learned so much that I truly believe that anyone from any size business could benefit from what she taught.
We've worked really hard to create an environment for you to come and feel inspired, be surrounded by other like-minded women so that you can leave feeling empowered, ready to tackle your creative business.